They say that money doesn't grow on trees. But guess what I just found? A unique strategy to make an extra $1,000 up to $5,000 from multiple passive income streams, siphoning cash into your account on complete autopilot day in and day out. And that's the closest thing to having a license to printing money. It's absolutely mind-boggling. But here's the catch. If you don't watch the video and follow my simple instructions, you end up making no money at all, and that's just the harsh truth. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Most people will close the video or skip ahead and miss out on the key important step that could potentially make them financially free. I truly don't want that to happen to you. What you're about to see in this short video could change everything for you. So get ready, because this is going to be exciting. Now I want you to take a look at this. This is Reddit.com, and this is the website that we're going to be using today to make money online. But before I show you everything on this website, I'm gonna show you the first website right here on kickbooster.me. Basically, on this website, you can find a lot of different campaigns that you can join and start earning daily commissions on the internet. Take a look at this. How Kickbooster works for affiliate marketers, as you can see here. Step number 1. You have to sign up now. You're going to click on Become a Booster button below. It takes less than 2 minutes to sign up, and it's completely free. You don't need any money or use any credit cards to do this, and I'll show you in just a moment how to sign up. Moving on to step number 2. You're going to select a campaign. And don't worry, if you keep watching, I'll show you exactly how to select the highest earning campaign that you should focus on, and you can make a lot of money, especially when you combine this website right here with Reddit.com. It's actually much easier than what you think. Now you can browse through this marketplace of hundreds and thousands of different campaigns to select the campaigns that you want to promote and when you promote them. Step number 3. You can spread this, meaning you can share this unique booster link and you can start earning commission. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So first, I'm going to sign up for a free account. When you come onto the official website, click on this button right here. And then you're gonna come onto this page, which you can see here, kickbooster.me. Now there are basically 2 categories that you have to select. You and I are boosters, and we are the affiliates where we can earn commission. All you're going to do is to just go ahead and click on this right here. Enter your name. I'm going to put in my username and then my email address. After that, choose your referral code. This is very important because this code right here will be unique to you. For me, I'm gonna put Jenny Adams, and this is my referral code. So just go ahead and put in the password and click on this. And then click Submit. It's actually a very simple process. It would take you about 1 to 2 minutes to do this. Again, I'll show you everything step by step in this video so that I can save you a lot of time and you don't have to go through the training anymore. As you can see here when I log in inside my account in kickbooster.me, you can just go ahead and click on the marketplace. Click on the marketplace and you're gonna see featured campaign. That can find different projects and different campaigns that you can promote and boost. What this means is that you can get your link and then you're gonna share them on reddit.com. Then we will start making money and earning commission. So make sure you keep watching to learn everything. So right over here, you can see that there are many different categories. For example, design, everyday carry. There are so many things that can be promoted and make money on this opportunity. So right over here, you can see sort by. When you click on the down arrow here, you can sort by most funded, ending soon, or commission from high to low. For my personal strategy, I will select our latest pick, because when you sort by our latest pick, you can see the top recommended program by this website on the marketplace, because this is the hottest offer, or this is the most recommended offer, and that's going to help you to save a lot of money without having to do your own research. And you can easily find the best highest earning campaign to instantly promote them and earn a lot of money fast. Right over here, you can literally see that there are hundreds and hundreds of campaigns that you can choose from. So I'm gonna give you a real-life example of exactly how to do this. First off, I want you to go down below and click on Boost this campaign. Click on this link below, and then you're gonna come on to this page. Now you can promote this campaign, and then you can earn 10% commission. Be rewarded with a 10% commission for every dollar that you help raise for this campaign. When you scroll down below, you can see Share your campaign URL. This is going to be the link that you have to share on Reddit, and then we can make money online, and I'll show you all the steps in this video. Again, just go on and highlight everything and just copy this link. Or you can just click on this little icon here and it'll show Copied. Copy the link and we'll be using it later on this video because I'll show you exactly how to use them on reddit.com. But again, I'll show you when people click on this link, they're gonna go on to this page, which you can see here. You can see that they have over $300,000 already being gathered on this campaign, meaning this is actually working right now, and you're able to make a lot of money by promoting the exact same campaign. So whenever you share this campaign, and whenever you share this link, and when people click on your referral link, they'll eventually come over to the website and watch this video. And if they're interested, they'll go ahead and click on this green button here, Back this project, and they will want to put their money for the project. For example, $15, $100, $500 or more. So as you can see here, you will be rewarded with 10% commission for every dollar that you help them raise for the campaign. Now what I want you to do is to go on to reddit.com, and then you're gonna click on this blue button which says sign up. You'll come out to this page, so you just have to put in your email address right here and just click on the next button. Right over here we can start posting on the Reddit website. You can get so many votes, so many clicks, and so many views on your posts. Now when you go onto the search bar, I want you to type in a keyword, mobile phone, and you can press on the search button right away. The reason why we're going to focus on the mobile phone category is because there are so many different communities, as you can see here. For example, this one is technology community, and this one is Android. And this one right here is the iPhone community with over 2 million members. And right here, over 8 million members. You're going to get so many views and so many clicks on your campaign and on your unique referral link. And when people click on your link, they will go over here and look through the pages, watch the video, and then put in their money into the fund to support a campaign. You earn 10% of the commission by doing that. So right now, I'll give you my personal supercharged Reddit post that you can put in Reddit. Just copy and paste. So as you can see here, this is the Reddit post number 1. And you can literally copy everything in this campaign and just put in the last link right here. And this is where you're going to put your link. So remember, this is your unique campaign link. You just have to copy this link or just click on the copy button and you can go back to your Reddit post, this template right here. And when you scroll down below, you just have to put in your link and delete this one and put in your link right here. It's as simple as that. Now as you can see here, this is your referral code. When people click on this link, they're gonna come on to this page. And when people buy something on this campaign, you can earn 10% of the commission. You can see here that there are so many campaigns that you can join on the Kickbooster website, and they're absolutely free. You can earn so much commission over and over again, especially when you combine this with a Reddit strategy to get a free targeted traffic to click on your link. Now this is a very powerful community where you can use my script. Just change it to your unique URL link. You're gonna get so many clicks and so many views, and you can earn a lot of commissions online. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash on the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.